Welcome to the heart of New York City, where Times Square transforms into a vibrant celebration of Durga Puja. From colorful idols to traditional dances, music, and joyous devotees, this festival brings the spirit of Bengal right to the crossroads of the world. Stay tuned as we take you through the unforgettable moments of Durga Puja in Times Square.
Welcome to the Times Square Puja. Bengali Foundation of, Bengali Club of New York. We arranged the whole thing over here, and you know the United Nations make the Durga Puja as a heritage. For that reason, we are doing over here. The first time was last year. The second time we're doing over here. Thank you.
Hello, thank you so much to all who is joining today. And that it's a massive crowd for us, especially thanks to communities and Hindu communities people who is joining with us. Joining with us, and it's a big crowd also for our Hindu communities. And this year we are celebrating. This is last time and this year, so we are celebrating in Manhattan. Everyone, you can see around Times Square. It's a big crowd, and everyone knows that. That is the business in here. So thank you so much, and I wish we can make it again and again. Thank you so much. সবাইকে সারা শুভেচ্ছা। বেঙ্গলি ক্লাব আয়োজিত এখানে শারদীয় হচ্ছে সেই ডান্স করে মহামিলন, বাঙালির এই মহামিলনের পূজায় আমরা সবাই একত্রে হয়েছি। এটা হচ্ছে বিশ্বায়নের একটা পূজা। সেই পুজোতে আমাদের দুর্গা পুজোর যে অধিকার, এর যে যথার্থতা, এই নিয়ে যদি সকল বাঙালি একসাথে হয়, সেই নিয়ম আমরা করতে হয়েছি। আর এই পুজোর যে আশীর্বাদ, সেটা হচ্ছে সকল অসুরদেরকে ধ্বংস করে, অসুরের বিনাশ করে, সুরে এবং শুদ্ধতা বিশুদ্ধতার প্রতি হয়ে আসা, সেইটাই কামনা করছি। এবং আজকের আজকের আলোয় আমাদেরকে ওই জায়গায় নিয়ে যাবে। আশা করছি আপনারা সবাই এই মঞ্চে থাকবেন, এই সঙ্গে থাকবেন এবং বাঙালি ক্লাবের সঙ্গে থাকবেন। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।
Okay, good evening. This is the second time. This is Dinesh Majumdar, who has been the founding president of Bengali Club, who has been successfully doing the second time this Durga Puja in Times Square. This is his idea that going on. So hopefully the whole world can watch. This is for people's, as you know, this is autumn festival, and we would like everyone to enjoy. This is the greatest Durga Puja. You know, this year, every year, would like to do it, but we need the help from you guys. We need your support. Please. Thank you.
For the second time, Bengali Club USA organized Times Square Durga Puja. We are proud. The Prime Minister of India send us greeting message. Also, CM of West Bengal of India, Mamata Banerjee also send us message. We are proud for that. We want to thank you, Modi ji and Mamata Banerjee. Next year, we hope Modi ji will inaugurate this Times Square Durga Puja, and we will celebrate together. India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Guyana, Suriname, and all over the world. Thank you very much.